Yes, people, welcome to a new video. In this video, we're gonna speed up a reel and we're gonna slow down a reel. So we go to Instagram, and in Instagram, I'm gonna click the plus button right on the top, and I'm gonna click reel. So here I am, and if you want to speed it up and slow it down, you have to do first something. On the left, you have the 1x, and you have the 2x, 3x, 4x, and you have 1/3 and a half. So if you want to slow it down, you have here, and for example, we take a test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we leave it, and then we're gonna see if it worked. Yeah, so here you are, you see, it's nice. You can post it already, but for the video, I'm gonna make one really fast. So 4x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first, now you see it slow it down, and then you see speed it up. Yeah, there you are. So 4x is really, really fast. So if you want, you can post it to click next, and you have a cover, write a caption. Well, you see that in other videos. Hope I helped you, and please subscribe to the channel and have a nice day. Thank you. Goodbye.